Good morning. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy hot chocolate recipe that takes 2-3 minutes at the most. It's fresh ingredients, no sugar, no dairy, and delicious. I'm here outside in my gorgeous Tanzanian garden. I'm Opare from Food for the Soul, and I'm a plant-based lifestyle coach, helping you create a healthy diet and lifestyle that you can actually stick to. If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you'll find out every time I post a new video. So today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite things to have in the morning is a fruit salad with hot chocolate, a raw vegan hot chocolate that you can make in just a few minutes. So we start with some dates. This is what will sweeten, and these are my jewel dates. There are other types of dates, and how many dates you need will depend on what size and how sweet you want it. So I'm adding 4 medjool dates. When I use the smaller ones, I will add 5 or 6, depending on how sweet they are. So we're going to pit them, get the pits out, and make sure you get the little stem thing off as well so there's no hard bits. And we'll just add them to our blender. And I'm using a high-speed blender. That way it's very creamy and you don't have to worry about straining anything or anything like that. So next is some ginger. I'm using about a half-inch piece of ginger. You can add more or less as you like. Then we're going to add cinnamon. About a half a teaspoon. Once again, all these measurements can be adjusted depending on your taste. Sometimes I add cardamom. And then for the milk part, you can use cashews or hemp seeds or sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. Any kind of seed or nut, macadamia nuts that doesn't have to be strained, that doesn't have a lot of pulp. So today I'm using hemp seeds. We add those in about a quarter of a cup, or 4 or 5, 6 cashews, then a little bit of salt, and then the cocoa powder. I'm using Tanzanian cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons or 2 large tablespoons. You could also use raw cocoa powder or cocoa nibs. I'm not sure on the measurement of the cocoa nibs. You just need to taste and decide. And then topping that with about 2 cups of hot water, boiling water, and then we blend it up. And usually blend for close to a minute on the high speed. And then you're ready. If you want to really raw, I mean, you can use just like warm water, or you can use boiling water if you prefer that. And then pour it in your cups, and you've got a creamy, delicious hot chocolate that I enjoy many, many mornings. It's always very satisfying. Along with my fruit salad, and I'm good to go for the morning. So that's it. That's all it takes. And you can have a delicious breakfast really quick and easy. This is something that I enjoy almost every morning, and it's a good substitute for coffee and is much healthier. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others who you think would enjoy this recipe. That's it for today. From Tanzania, this is Opare. Kwaheri.